Cops are the last people you want to come and crash your wedding. However, today we'll be checking out the time these cops ruined a wedding. This footage is from a wedding that was taking place in the Winter Park Event Center in Florida. Suddenly, during a wedding, cops received a call from a guest claiming that an angry drunk guy had been causing trouble. He was accused of being aggressive and shoving people to the ground.
So he's in a black, white beater, black pants. He's grabbing his phone.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
Right by the lake, right there, he's yelling.
I don't give a
He's okay, he's okay. He's our brother, he's our brother.
man, that ain't got nothing to do with me.
It's his first wedding.
Shut up.
Back up.
First wedding. It's his
Back
first
up.
wedding.
Shut up.
Listen,
Back
it's his
up.
first wedding.
Back up. Back up. Move out of the way. 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 Man, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Have any weapons?
Come here for a second. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Don't you snatch my mother, sister.
Danny.
Get away from him. That motherfucker ain't got it. Step back, Sam.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
You touch my sister.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Hold on.
Got you.
Hold on.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. What's up, man? What's up? Talk to me. Okay. Hey, talk to me. 'Let me stay here. All right, you good? No, I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm all right. Sit. No. I'm all right. Make a call, man. All right. Back up here. No, back up. It's coming.
Here's the footage from another angle where we can see him getting shot.
Hey! Let it go. Get away from him! Get away from him now! Step back, Sam. Step back. You touch my sister? Hey, you touch my sister? Don't let that mother come over here. Step back. Put your hands. Step back. Put your hands by your back now. Put your hands.
39-year-old Daniel Knight was the person in question, and he was shot multiple times by the police after he punched an officer and kept on pushing against the officers despite being tased. Knight suffered various injuries and was hurried to the hospital.
I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm just making sure. Let me help you up. What happened? He struck him. What happened? I'm all right. I'm okay. I'm all right. Dean. I'm all right. What happened? Hey, what happened? The guy knocked me out, man. Knocked me out. Sit down. Everybody back up. Hey, back up. Sit down.
Do something now! Do something! Back up! Get back! Back up! I'm not gonna say you.
Back up. Oh, yeah. She's a nurse. I'm not shot. I got knocked out. Yeah, I'm all right.
No. I'm taking him to the hospital.
Are you okay, Chris?
I'm all right, man.
Take him to the hospital.
No, I'm okay.
I'm taking him to the hospital. Come on, I'm taking him to the hospital.
Man. I'm all right. No, I'm not shot.
I'm taking him to the hospital.
He just knocked me out. That's all. He just knocked me out. I'm all right.
No. Quick.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go.
He cocked me, man. Damn. No, I gotta stay with y'all, man. I gotta stay with y'all.
I'm taking you to the hospital.
I gotta stay with y'all, man.
I'm taking you to the hospital.
1050 Westmore.
Oh, shit, man.
Winter Park Civic Center.
Let them check you.
Oh, damn. All right.
I'm taking him to the hospital. Sorry, shot somebody. Go help them out with coffee. You okay?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Sure. I'm just taking him just in case.
You been hit by anything?
Sarge said
The dude hit me, man.
The officer was just knocked out and was taken care of as well. Meanwhile, the entire wedding was affected, and everyone just rushed out. Knight could not recover from his wounds and succumbed to them as he died in the hospital.
Oh, Lord. All right.
Oh my God, man, they shot him 4 times. Right. They allow one person to check his pulse. One person. Why don't they allow one person to check his pulse? Okay. Everyone needs to leave the place alone.
Hey, you're emotional right now. Hey, leave him.
Thank you for your help.
No problem, sir.
I didn't know what was going on.
I know
Thank you.
you were a little bit.
Yeah.
So I was letting you take your time.
Yeah, thank
sure
you.
you don't want something to
No,
drink or
I'm
not?
all right. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm all right.
He hit me too. in the back of my head.
He knocked me out. He knocked me out.
He knocked you out?
Yeah, he knocked me out, man.
You need to go away. You go away.
Hey, no.
Listen, sir, come on. Go away. We don't need another. Okay, well, you take your... I am. I'm trying.
Come on. What are you locking me up? What are you locking me up for? Sir, come over here and talk to me. Come over here and talk to me.
No,
relax.
what is he locking me up for?
Relax.
Because he's a
No, stop. Please. Thank you. I came to thank you for helping me. All right? I came to thank you for helping me because you did. Thank you.
What are you
Thank you.
locking me up for?
No. Relax.
You know what my problem is? Why does he confront him?
I don't know.
He's fine. He's over here talking to you.
Right now, where's the ambulance at?
The ambulance is coming.
Ambulance is coming. Let them come inside.
Ambulance is coming. It's coming, all right? All right?
When are they coming?
However, after this incident, the family of Daniel Knight came up and expressed concerns over how the cops managed the situation. They said he wasn't attacking anyone and had no weapons. Moreover, the groom's family also said that he wasn't attacking anyone and was just at the function with his sisters.
Please, sir, please.
I'm going to surprise you. You all right?
Yeah.
I did tase you.
Sir.
I did tase you.
I seen the whole thing. I seen the I understand what happened to you. I understand what happened. Listen, I understand what happened. Stop worrying about us.
No,
Get your man.
everything's cool, bro.
You see, it just came to me like that. I understand what happened.
Everything's cool.
It ain't cool.
No. But you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
It ain't cool.
Me and you've been okay.
Get your man, though, bro.
Why you think I'm over here talking to you?
Get your man.
You came and helped me, all right? Thank you, okay? All right?
Because this is not that serious. Like, come on.
All right.
I'm crazy for no reason.
All right. How you doing?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. I'm just a little dazed. I'm trying to keep my. I don't want to leave.
I want you to stay
Yeah.
here. Don't go any
All
closer
right.
right now. Just
Okay.
go
Yeah.
away, okay?
All right. Gotcha.
Hey.
Well, you want to start it where?
No, let him get.
Okay.
Let me do it.
Take this whole area off now.
All right.
Anybody who's not providing first aid, get them out.
You hurt? You good?
I know he hit me in the back of my head.
Yeah.
I started seeing stars. I
Yeah,
went down.
that's what happened. I went
tried
down
to
too,
tase him.
yeah.
I was on my back and I fired because he was going to knock me out, man.
Thank you.
He was going to knock me out.
Yeah. Oh, he already knocked me out. So you were the second one. Well, what we need to do is we need to clear the scene so that everything can come in here. That's all.
Family gone.
Okay. Yeah, if you can, we can clear the scene right now.
Them off the sidewalk, but you're not going to get the family gone.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. We're coming.
All this scene was created and everyone in the event was shocked. The wedding had to be delayed and cops and police cars covered the entire scene. Knight's lawyer, Guy Rubin, later questioned the department's policy on what happened and said that he intended to file a wrongful death lawsuit against those responsible. The Winter Park Police Department, however, has completed its internal investigation and claimed that no action needs to be taken. Nothing went against the law, and the officer was right to do what he did.
All right, yeah.
Inside, please.
Regardless, this how y'all show up to a wedding reception. This how y'all show up to a wedding reception.
What's up, man?
You good?
Yeah, I'm all right.
We gotta give them space.
We gotta give them space to work. That's the only thing. Okay, I got you.
Let her sit there.
Okay, all right. If you can help us get everybody inside, that'd be a big help.
Hey, back inside. Back inside. This is a crime scene. Back inside.
Do me a favor. Can I ask you something? If you want to do that, can you do that over there? Can you do that over there for me, please? Can you do that over there?
That man just shot him in front of his kids.
Yo, can you do that over there, please?
Let's go back over there.
Can you do that over there? Can you do that over there? Can you do that over there? Yeah, I'm all right. Inside, please. Just inside, okay?
Back inside. You can record from inside.
Ma'am, if you can just record from inside.
That's our brother. That's our brother.
Okay.
How overly aggressive this dude is.
Huh? All right, okay.
Please, they're not working on him.
I have a confession.
Huh?
You went black for a couple.